Good morning children. Last class we have learned about the write the between number, after number, before number and missing numbers, count and write we all learned. Today we are going to study about the additions what you have learned in the previous class. Okay. Okay, we are going to be revise what you have learned in the previous class. We are going to addition. Okay, we are going to study addition. Addition means is forward counting. Children, addition means forward counting. Okay. So you have learned now add on the number line. Okay, you know that. See right here. Add on the number line. See they given one sum 4 plus 5. Okay. Add on the number line. So I will write the number line. Yes, yes. See 4 plus 5. Okay. 4 plus 5. Addition means forward counting. Okay, 4 plus 5. Here is what? First number is what? 4. Where is 4 here? Here. Okay. Then how many plus 5? We should add for 4, 5. Okay. Otherwise you can write here 4 is there. Then add 5. See. From 4. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is how much? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much children? 4 plus 5 is how much? 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 5 is how much? 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. See here 4 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then another one I will do children. Okay, here what number? First number is 3 plus 6. How much? See, 1, 2, 3. Here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, count all together. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6 is how much? 9. So 3. 3 plus 6 is how much children? 9. Okay. You can draw like this also. See. 3. First do it for 3. From 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. Plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay. 3 plus 6 is how much? 9. Otherwise, here see, I written 4 plus 5 is equal to dash. See, 4 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much? 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So in number line where is 4? Here is 4 no children. First number is what? 4. Then how much you must add to this 4? 5. So do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much is answer left here? 9. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So here is how much? Put 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 lines. Here 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So first is what? 3. Start from 3 or put here for 3. Then 6 plus no. How much it came for 3 plus 6 is how much? 9. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can put the hearts like this. Okay. So 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 5 plus 2 is equal to dash. See, I will write here number line. Okay children, I written some numbers from 0 to 10. Now you must add 5 plus 2. First number is what? 5. So you can put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then how much? 2. 1, 2. How much? 5 plus 2 is how much children? 7. So in 3 ways also you can add on the number line children. Addition is forward counting, not backward counting. So addition means forward counting. Here say from 4 you start. How much? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. So first one is what? 3. Put a hand for 3. Then 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how much? 9. Now here 5 plus 2 is equal to how much? Okay, 5 plus 2 is how much? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next plus 2, 6, 7. So after 5 how much? 1, 2. No. So after 5 2 space 1, 2. So how much? It is 7. 5 plus 2 is how much? 7. Four plus 5 is equal to how much? Okay, first number is what? 4. So see, from 0 you start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 4 plus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much? 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay children, add on the number line. Now add on the number line. So you can see children, easy method I will teach you. 3 plus 2 is equal to dash. Okay. So first number is what? 3. Where it is 3 here? Here is 3. Next plus 2. 1, 2. How much children? 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. This is the simple way you learn children. Okay. Next. Now first number is what? 6. Where is 6 here? Here is 6. Plus 2. 1, 2. How much children? 6 plus 2 is how much? 8. Right here. 8. This is one method you learn children. Enough. Okay. Now. Five plus 5. Where is 5? Here is 5. You add 5 to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much 5 plus 5 is? 5 plus 5 is how much children? 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. How much? 7. Here is 7 plus 2. 1, 2. 7 plus 2 is how much? 9. Okay children? Add on the number line means you can add like that. Okay? Now add. See children, you can keep one number in the mind and keep one number on the finger also you can add. See, 1 in the mind, 2 on the finger. 1 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 1, 2, 3. What children? 1 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 1, 2, 3. Now, another one way also you can add children. How much? This one 2. 1, 2. This one 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count all together. Scratch them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much? 2 plus 4 is 6. So 2 lines. 2 lines. Then 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Now all together count. So I will scratch that by counting. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Here is 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you will do? 1, scratch now. Count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5 is how much children? 8. Now here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 2. 1, 2. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 is how much children? 7. So now 7 plus 3. This is the symbol of addition. Okay, plus is the symbol of addition. So 7 plus 3. 7 in the mind, 3 on the finger. Okay, after 7, 8, 9, 10. One number you have to keep in the mind, one number on the finger. Then you can add both. See, 6 in the mind, 4 on the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 7, 8, 9. 8 in the mind, 4 on the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So single digit number we are learned. Now see. Okay. Okay children, now first you add this both 1 and 4. Then what you will get that one you add this one. Okay, now first this 2. 1 in the mind, 1 in the mind, 4 on the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 plus 4 how much you got? 5. 5 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 5, 6, 7. Now here see. 1, 2. Next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 2. 1, 2. Now count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much? 9. 1, 2. Here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0. No value for us. Okay. 0 is nothing. Okay. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2. 1, 2. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay children. Now here 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 is nothing. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 1. 0 is nothing. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we can learn the addition. Addition, what we have learned? Addition. Addition means what? Forward counting. So now we have learned addition on the number line and addition of a single digit we have learned children. Okay. Addition of 2-digit number we are going to be learn, that is, see, you know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 all single digit. Okay. This all single digit. After 9 what will come? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 after 20, like that, 21 like that you have learned children. Now here is single digit numbers we are now adding. Now we are going to add 2-digit numbers. Okay. 2-digit numbers means that will come as a tens and ones. That will come tens and ones. Okay. See, you will say 20. 20 you will write like this now. Okay. 35. 3, 5. 35. Okay. This is tens and ones. How many tens is there? 2 tens, 0 ones. Here 3 tens, 5 ones. Okay. So single digit we have learned in addition. Now 2 digits of additions we are going to study children. So for tens I put T, ones for I put O. So in previous class I learned ones and tens now. So now I will add the 2-digit numbers. Okay. See children, tens and ones is given. You must add, I will say. What you will do? You have to start from the right side only. Here only. Ones place first you must add. Then you must add the tens place. Okay. First you have to add the ones place. Then you have to add the tens place. So here in ones place what? 3 and 4 is there. That is 3 plus 4. So 3 in the mind, 4 on the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 in the mind, 3 on the finger. In tens place what? 2 is there. 2 in the mind, 3 on the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. How will you add children? First you have to add the ones place. That is ones place what is there? 3 and 4 is there. So you keep one number in the mind, one number on the finger. So here So 5 I written children. Okay. Now next sum. Ones is how much is there? 3 ones and 2 ones. So you have to keep one number in the mind, one number on the finger. So 3 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 3, 4, 5. In next is tens place. So what is there in tens place? 4 and 3 is there. 4 and 3 in the ones place. So 4 in the mind, 3 on the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. What you learned in ones place? 3 and 2. So you keep one number in the mind, one number on the finger. 3 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 3, 4, 5. So I written here 5. Next tens place. 4 and 3 is there. So I keep one number in the mind. 4 on the mind, 3 on the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. I written 7 children. Next. Once what numbers is there? 5 and 2. So you keep one number in the mind. 5 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 5, 6, 7. In tens place, 3 and 4. 3 plus 4. That is 3 in the mind, 4 on the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, here ones place is what? 5 and 3. 5 in the mind, 3 on the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 4, 5, 6. Here 2 in the mind, 7 on the finger. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 on the finger. 2 in the mind. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here tens place, 7 in the mind, 1 on the finger. After 7 is 8. Okay children, next class we can continue. Okay. What we have learned today? Addition on the number line and single digit of adding the numbers and 2 digits numbers we are adding. Okay. Thank you children.